So I choose Slippery Rock University because of the many majors that are involved up here at Storm Harbor Equestrian Center. We have 18 horses. This is where they're kept. This is where we prep them for all our riding sessions. We do all their grooming, and we have sensory trails and 12 acres of pasture and riding trails all around our facility. We hold weekly lessons and involve all riders with physical, intellectual, emotional, and social disabilities. We also hold programs for our veterans, and we have an accessibility lift to cater to the needs of all of our riders. And I think that's what makes us very unique, because we have the ability to cater to all of our riders' needs. So we have a lot of academic programs here on campus, such as recreational therapy, adapted physical activity, special education, art, and even music therapy. All these programs get involved up here and bring classes up here to get involved and volunteer and get that hands-on experience. I think this program is very beneficial because it allows you to figure out your path. If you'd like to work with children or older adults, you have a lot of opportunity to work with a wide range of age groups. Volunteering up here at Storm Harbor Equestrian Center is very beneficial and can help you in your future profession, and it gives you the hands-on experience you need to succeed and be able to work with individuals at all levels.